All right, guys, check this one out. You're looking at a top 6 teeth custom grill that we just had done for a customer. Now, this one here is solid 925 sterling silver. Here's the back side. Now, this is actually single caps. If you look in between each tooth, there's a deep line that goes all the way through. Gives it that nice permanent style look. Very defined and sharp, which is the look that a lot of our customers love. And so this is single caps, 6 top teeth, permanent look. Okay, style. It is available on our website, blingcartel.com. Quality, handmade work, guys. Designed to fit perfectly. Snaps right on the teeth there. You could do a top, bottom, or a set. Check that out. All right, well, there it is, guys. Thank you for watching. And check us out, blingcartel.com. As always, y'all have a good one.